Trubor Nagaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Conrad ke sangma bodu sembut Menteri Rangba ba Preston Tensang gilai kendo yo Menteri Ketanat Korbari Amit Shah Hanongba New Delhi hagesingi balang. Hadien geje alang Conrad ulai thu ba geje kren bodu Amit Shah lembat ki he Ketanat Korbari kelalong halor ke MRSSA. Ulong managaliang Amit Shah ulai jingmut bagi officer nagaliang ke sarkar jilla bat Ketanat Korbari ki dewan syong je alang menyekren sani bah halor ke MRSSA. Ke MRSSA ke balapan kelar ke sarkar Conrad kadang sateng banyo ya kejing menjur. Conrad ulai thu ru ba wat lau Amit Shah la phawan ye ki seng beper ki bakwa bani kendu yu chi New Delhi ya kane kapor badang ya ke dorbar mang tingka henrei new menteri ulong pat bonwan bani kendu hi ki hasilong hau banai banwan. Menteri Rangba ulong bo Amit Shah unsasa arsgi lenter hau banai leber bani kendu ki seng beper banyak keren halor ki mat ki jura ki bagi kwa banra khamajung u halor katau Conrad ulong bo Amit Shah ula penpau ki jingsong kya halor ka mat ka beide bu jing wan rong ki mender tang Meghalaya ba North East hinrei gari brok away ulong ba sarkar pedeng kan chim ya baro ki lat ki linti ban yada ki nong shong shnong kladon ru ka je kren ha beide bu jing pin state ban pendap no ki jing ker Sainasia ki jaka khaput ka Meghalaya but Bangladesh.
Today, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and myself met the Honorable Home Minister of India, along with the officials of the MHA who were present in the meeting. The Honorable Home Minister of India gave a very, very patient hearing to the different concerns and the issues that we had to mention to him and bring to him. Apart from many issues that were discussed, we discussed the MRSSA. And in the issue concerning the MRSSA, the Honorable Home Minister has suggested that the state government and the officials from the MHA must sit down and discuss in threadbare all the issues that are there relating to the MRSSA. And he urged us to find an amicable way forward in regards to the MRSSA. We also mentioned to him regarding the fact that in his last visit to Shillong, there were many organizations who wanted to meet the Honorable Home Minister, but because of the constraint of time, he was not able to meet. And he had suggested that they should come to the Parliament during this period. So in the meantime, during this particular phase, the Honorable Home Minister has made a plan to make a 2 full-day visit to Shillong to discuss on the revamping of the NEC. So the Honorable Home Minister will spend 2 days in Shillong, and he has urged that instead of all the organizations having to spend and all the inconvenience being caused that they have to come here, he has suggested that he will give enough time to all the organizations that want to meet him in Shillong during his 2-day visit, which will happen in the month of March, which is next month itself. The Home Minister had also mentioned about the issue of infiltration. And he said that infiltration is an issue that concerns not just the state of Meghalaya, but the Northeast as a whole and the country as a whole. And the Honorable Home Minister has given assurance that he will do all that's possible to ensure that the culture, the identity and the language of the people of Meghalaya and the Northeast and in general the country as a whole is always protected. The Honorable Home Minister also mentioned about the fact that the issues regarding the border fencing also needs to be expedited. There are some sections in which the construction has not started yet due to some local issues. He has urged the state government to speak to the stakeholders and to take the people along and ensure that all the concerns are addressed at the earliest. And the work in those sections where the border fencing has not started yet must start at the earliest. So these were the different issues that were discussed with the Honorable Home Minister in the meeting today.